We've been a partner with Workiva for 3 years now, 3+ years.
So this is actually our 4th year attending.
We're a brand new Workiva partner.
So we chose to attend again, first and foremost because of people and the interaction with everybody, with not just the Workiva folks, but even other partners. I mean, we're a partner. The clients of Workiva, hearing their stories, it's just amazing. It's probably one of the best conferences that we've attended.
It's been one of the best conferences that we sponsor as a firm.
Top notch. Great events, great booths, great giveaways.
Great partnership with Workiva, world-class conference. The feedback I gave back to our executive team back in New York was we need more people here next year.
And I think we only brought 4 this time, and I wish we'd brought 10. There's so many people that are interested and trying to figure out how we can better utilize the platform.
Being able to touch the technology and seeing what's coming out and new, being able to talk through some of the solutions and talk through some of the challenges that people are having with connecting data, connecting other systems.
Every year it gets bigger and bigger, and a lot of the sort of end user attendees that attend really look to us for, hey, what's been our experience? What do we see in our client bases? What are those best practices?
I feel like the people want to be here in Runner, so I think that's very good and different from some of the other conferences I've seen in a positive.
It's a great opportunity that there's a lot of really large companies here that I think businesses don't always get exposed to at some of the other conferences that we attend. It gives you a really good connection point of things to talk about.
You need to be at Amplify just because the folks here, they're passionate about the product, Wdesk and now Wdata obviously. The opportunity to kind of get connected in this ecosystem, but then also talk about how you can actually complement what Wdesk and Wdata do. It's a great opportunity.
Definitely do it. Definitely come back and do it next year. We've gotten so much out of this. So many new ideas, so many great contacts and connections. It's been just an awesome experience, and we're excited to do it again.